Hello everyone. Today we are going to find minimum element of an array. Means we are going to find the smallest element of the array. So let's start. We will write hash include iostream using space. Now we will consider an integer n, and this n will be the size of the array. So let's consider integer n. Now I have considered this integer n, and this will be the size of the array. So this size will be given by the user. So what will give system will give output that enter user give the input size of the array as input. So system will give output that user enter the size of the array. So when size of the array, now user have give system has given the output. Now user will give input as the size of the array. This will be considered by the user. What will the size of the array? Now user has given the input as size of the array. Now we have to consider a array. So here I have considered this array int a, and the size of the array will be n, and size will be determined by the user. Now when the user have given the size of the array, user have to give elements of all the elements of the array. So to take input as elements, we have to use for loop. Now we will use for, and here I have use int I, which will be start from 0, and this will be end from n minus 1. So here I will write that I is less than n, and now I plus plus, and here user will give all the elements of the array. Now user have given all the elements of the array. Now I will consider integer. I have considered here integer smallest. Let's consider a smallest integer. Now I have considered this smallest integer, and let's say this integer, smallest integer, is infinite, which I will write int max. Now I have considered this smallest integer as maximum. Maximum means I have considered int max. We can understand this int max as the maximum, or we can understand this as infinity. So when I have considered this smallest integer as infinity, if any of the element of this array is less than the smallest, I will consider this that element as smallest. So now here using for loop, I will compare. Now consider int I, which will start from 0 and less than n, and I plus plus, and here I will take as a I will check by using if else conditions. So if any of the element is smallest than our consideration, as we have considered this smallest integer, if any of the element of the array is smallest, smaller than the smallest integer as we have considered, then what we'll do, we will assign smallest as that element. So here I have assigned. Now our now our program is ready. I will give output as smallest, and now we will return the function. So we have written our program. Let's check there is error or not. So here I have checking. I have not using comma. Now our program is ready. So let's check. I will compile this file. Now let's compile. So here you can see that 0 error, 0 warning, and here is the execution time, that is 1 second. Now let's run this program. I have run this program. Let's enter the size of the array. So I will consider the size as 6. Now I have given the input as 6. Now I have to enter the now I have to enter all the elements. So I will enter 2, 5, 9, 8 and 6 and 1. Now the smallest element is 1. So here it is not visible clearly. So here what I will do, I will this as smallest number. Smallest number is, and here I will. Now our program is ready. A second. Now the size of the array is, let's say 5. Now we will give the elements as 3, 8, 9, 7 and 6. So here smallest number is 3. You can check here 3, 8, 9, 7, 6, and in these elements 3 is the smallest. So here our output is also 3. So this was our program to find the minimum or smallest element of the array. So thanks for watching.